Welcome back to Rap Good Chad, where we discuss music, sports, battle rap, and tech. I told you guys J. Cole was dropping. I told you guys J. Cole was dropping. J. Cole just dropped a mixtape, and he got songs coming at Drake, coming at Kendrick Lamar, as he should. Stop playing with J. Cole's name. Huh? We're no longer going to do this playing with J. Cole's name, acting like J. Cole is not J. Cole. We're not doing that. No. Acting like J. Cole is not him. J. Cole, Birthday Blizzard Freestyle. He got a lot of them. Let me just give you a little bit. Let me give you a little taste.
Down screaming, knock them niggas from the mud. Change, let me get respect like my brother named Parquet. Somewhere along the way, I even say we lost shade. Better than gossip of all things. I remember when I was rapping about it's not bread and butter, it's yapping and parlay. Your name's a big conversation. Next deals for Luka Doncic, clapping and hating. Well, nowadays, you can make a grip commentating if you master true skills. Either dick riding or flipping. You sit around and the dick defining this out of
I told you guys J. Cole was dropping. Listen, Kendrick Lamar is a hater. He needs this. Drake was throwing subliminals. He needs this. On this channel right here, we love Drake, we love J. Cole, and we hate Kendrick Lamar. That's just what it is. That's what it is. We hate Kendrick Lamar here. But we're not going to be biased. Okay? Understand the difference. We hate Kendrick Lamar, but we will never be biased. If Kendrick Lamar drops something good, we will speak on it. But he does not drop anything good ever. Never does he drop anything good. J. Cole has just dropped to go on all the mixtape sites. It's not on Apple Music or Spotify or anything like that. He's rapping on actual, like, other people's beats. So you're not going to see it on these websites like that. You have to go look at the mixtape websites. My Mixtapes is a good one to look at if you don't know any mixtape websites. And if you don't want to use that one, just type in mixtapes online on Google or on ChatGPT, and I'm sure some mixtape site that you're comfortable with will pop up on the screen. This is time. This is what he needs. He needs to come back outside. He needs to show. Stop playing with me. I'm J. Cole. Cold world, no blanket. Stop playing with me, bro. There's been too much playing with J. Cole's name. It's too much playing with J. Cole's name. We are not doing this no more. We're not doing no more playing around with J. Cole's name. No, we're not doing that. Period. My boy is stepping outside. My boy is out here to rap. My boy is about to take the crown back. He really never lost it. He just bowed out. I told you, when he was about to rap, he came in the battle space with his notebook, with his pen, with his pad, and he's looking at Kendrick Lamar. Kendrick Lamar's got grenade launchers. He's got bazookas. He's ready to take down the whole town, and J. Cole is looking like, whoa, I thought this was a friendly fade. Kendrick Lamar like, no, I want war, no. So that brought us here, and that's why we're here. J. Cole is dropping. It is what it is. J. Cole is dropping. My thoughts about the album, 1 out of 10, I'm giving it a 10. I'm giving it a 10. Real hip-hop, real bars, real lyricism, real subject matter, real flow, real cadence. I'm giving it a 10. I couldn't give it nothing less if I tried. You know, if you love J. Cole, if you liked his last album, you're going to like this album even more. If you liked his last album, you're going to love this album even more, this mixtape even more. I cannot wait for the fall off. I cannot wait to see what he says, how he's rapping, how he's coming. I cannot wait. I'm so excited for it, man. J. Cole is back, man. The real is back. The real is back, man. Hip hop is back. I love hip hop. I fell in love with hip hop because of J. Cole. I fell in love with the warm up. I'm just ready. Please like, comment, and subscribe. This is Rap Good Chad, where we discuss music, sports, battle rap, and tech. Thank you.